to me like.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is going to be this bronzy sort of glam smoky look. I did use the Bperfect Jossa palette, which looks like this. It's absolutely beautiful. It's got every colour that you need for a stunning bronzy smoky glam, or even just an everyday sort of look. So yeah, we just went ahead and we created this look, and I'm going to go ahead and get straight into the tutorial. First off, I'm just going to prime the face with this Block O'Clock by Louise, and I'm just applying this to the T-zone and around my cheeks, just everywhere that has basically a lot of pores. Just going in with the Louise base in shade 01 and applying this on the eyelids. This base is great. If you haven't tried it, you definitely need it in your life. It makes eyeshadows pop so much brighter. Now I'm just quickly going to do my brows because I totally forgot about them, not going to lie. Haven't worn makeup in ages, so I completely forgot all about them. So I'm just going to in with the Brow Blade by the Relove Revolution range. Now I'm just going back over the lids a little bit just because it was kind of fading away because I had to go and do something, and then I had to come back to the look. But we're just going in with the Bperfect Jossa palette, and the first shade that we're going in with here is the shade Divine, and I'm just putting this darkest shade in my crease. I'll actually leave a link in the description with the brushes that I'm using. Then I'm just going in with this shade called Golden, and I'm just blending that just slightly higher in the crease. Now we're just going in with the shade Out Out. This is a more lighter brown, and again I'm just going just slightly higher than the previous shade Golden, and I'm just blending that out as well. Now I'm just going in with the Louise Cut Carver, and I'm just going to carve out that crease a little bit. I'm just using these little cotton buds from Asda. They're just makeup cotton buds, and these just help take away any of that residue from the cut carver. I'm just going back in with a little bit of a base here. Now we're just going in with this shimmer shade called Soft, and it's a stunning sort of champagne-y pink. It has got kind of rose gold shimmers to it as well. We're just putting that all over the lids. Now I'm just going to apply some lashes. These are the 61 Cosmetic lashes. These lashes are in the style Amore, and these are the more sort of basic, not too out there, but still nice and dramatic sort of lash. And that is what they look like with this eye look. I'm just going in with some face base here. This is the e.l.f. Camo Perfecting BB Cream. No, this is so much lighter than my original skin at the moment. I'm a little bit tanned because it's summer, but this was the only foundation sort of thing that I had near me at the point in time that I actually filmed this, so I just applied this because it was like the only base that I had. Now I'm just going in with a little bit of Stay Matte powder, and I'm just mattifying my T-zone there. We're just going in with the Louise Pro bronzers, and these two shades here are Cheeky Chai and Adoring Amber, and we're just blending them in. Again, please excuse the foundation and stuff. It is super light. I'm just going back to the eyes now, and I'm just going under my eyes with the shade Define, and I'm just blending out that lower lash line. Now we're just moving on to the lips, and we're going in with Peaches and Cream, I think it's Punchline lip liner, and we just go in with a little bit of the Bonnie Dolly lip gloss in the shade Dolly. How autumnal does this look? Like, it's absolutely beautiful. Now we're just going with the Molly O'Brien. It's a little highlighter thing that I got with her brushes. She's actually just shut down her shop, which is actually super sad because her shop is actually amazing. But this is a little highlighter that I got from it, and I was just trying this out just because it was next to me, to be quite honest. Really, really bright, and I like how it's got a nice sort of pink shift to it. So this is the look. I hope you guys will like it. Something nice and glam, but not too over the top. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.